Hidden water leaks are one of the most common and costly issues for homes and businesses. Left unnoticed, they can cause serious damage and expensive repairs. Even a small leak can waste a surprising amount of water over time. Many leaks stay hidden until walls, floors, or plumbing systems are already affected. Undetected leaks can lead to water damage, mould, emergency call-outs, and rising repair costs. Finding problems early helps protect your home and your wallet. At Plumb, we follow a clear three-step process. Step 1 is leak investigation, checking whether a leak is present. If a leak is confirmed, Step 2 is leak detection. Using acoustic listening, thermal imaging, pipe microphones, correlators, or tracer gas, we find the source without disruption. Step 3 is leak repair. Once located, we create a tailored repair plan, which may include valve installation or small-scale excavation to fix the issue properly. Our experienced engineers support homeowners across the UK, from routine checks to complex leak detection and repairs, keeping your property safe and water efficient. For more information or to schedule a leak detection survey, call us today on 0800 415 514 or visit metroplumb.co.uk.